The nation is celebrating its 74th Republic Day today. The main function was held at Kartavya Path in New Delhi, from where President Draupadi Murmu led the nation in celebrating the Republic Day. Egyptian President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi was the chief guest at the parade. The Republic Day parade ceremony started this morning with the visit of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi to the National War Memorial, where he led the nation in paying solemn tributes to the brave hearts by laying a wreath. During the march past, Indian Navy was represented by a mounted column of 61 cavalry, 9 mechanized columns and 6 marching contingents. A tableau of the Indian Council on Agricultural Research on the theme International Year of Millets 2023 was among the special attractions during the parade. Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar awardees also participated in the parade.